Hello friends, our today's activity is wind chime. We are going to make a wind chime using an old plastic bottle. As you can see that I have already cut the upper part of this plastic bottle. This is a best out of waste activity. I'm just showing you one simple idea how to create a wind chime, but you can also use your own ideas to even create something out of the remaining bottle. I have also removed the cap, which we are going to use later. I'm going to punch 4 holes at 4 sides. Then one immediately opposite. So you can see that we have punched 4 holes. I've taken a woolen string and I have slipped some beads in one end. I've tied a knot and I've slipped few beads which are given in your kit. Now we are going to tie a knot in the desired length. So you decide what length you want and accordingly you can tie a knot and cut away the extra thread. We will repeat the process for all the 4 holes that we have punched. This one I'll take a bit more shorter. Now you must be thinking why I have tied this woolen thread before. Because we are going to now cover our entire bottle with a different color wool. We are going to apply Fevicol, the outer surface of the bottle, and we will completely cover it with the wool. So once you cover this, everything will be covered till the edge and it will look neat and tidy. So let's begin. Apply some glue, Fevicol. Now this Fevicol will take some time to stick. Now we'll start wrapping the entire bottle, this piece, with the wool. I finish wrapping this plastic bottle piece with the woolen thread. Now in the cap, directly with the needle we've made a hole and we've passed a woolen thread from the plastic bottle cap and we tied a knot. On the upper side we have string 2 beads and we have tied a knot now to create a loop. And just tie a knot and create this loop. We will close the bottle cap, and as you can see, our best out of waste wind chime or a wall hanging is now ready. Decorate the wind chime with the glitter tube provided in your kit.